Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Let's get into this action today. So what we're looking at here is the SPY chart, which again is basically the ETF that tracks the S&P 500. So very simply, you're looking at the S&P 500 here. All right, now what's interesting on this chart is that you had a pivot high last Friday and you had a reversal. Now again, it wasn't a huge reversal. It was a solid move down, but we didn't close negative by any stretch. But nonetheless, it was a pretty significant sell-off from the highs of the day. Now what you saw here this past Tuesday, was us retesting that line, and you can see how the market again pierced it, but then sold right off. So what you're looking for and what this has created is a pivot top in the short-term market. And I'm talking very short-term here, literally, over the last, 1 week period. And you don't have the significant topping signal just yet, but that's what we're trying to feel out for this market. And when I say topping signal, I don't necessarily mean like, an all-time high or a multi-month high. I'm just saying for a short-term pullback in this market. Let's say a 3% pullback in the market, which we haven't seen in a long time. All right, so again, what you're looking for here, and you can see it today. So this is today's action on the 10-minute chart, and that's what we're looking at here. We're looking on the 10-minute chart. You can see how the chart earlier in the day here, just literally 20, 30, 40 minutes ago, tested that high, tested it, and then put in a little bit of a short-term topping tail right here. And this is hard to see, I know, but you have a little bit of a topping tail right here. Then you're seeing a little bit of selling coming in on the market here. So what we're really looking for is at the end of this holiday shortened day, and remember, today is Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, so we're looking to see at 1 p.m. when they close this market, where the market is. All right, does it close above this high? All right, and again, you're basically looking at a high level of 207.80, we'll call it. So if you close at 207.80 or above, that should mean you are in a positive bias for Monday. Anything below that would be neutral to negative, in my opinion. And again, neutral to negative, you're not going to be fully negative because you don't have a topping tail on the daily chart yet. You don't have a reversal candle just yet that's big enough, that's significant enough. But again, it would put you in an oversold market, or excuse me, an overbought market in a slightly negative bias. So I like to rate it neutral to negative. So a slight negative bias overall. All right, so again, what you're looking for here, simply put, you just want to know what the market bias should be for next week. Just watch to see where we close today. Do we close above 207.80 or below 207.80? 207.80 below, neutral to negative, above positive. Very simple. All right, guys, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Again, we offer a free email list where we send free alerts and updates and trade setups out of. You can sign up for that on our blog here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. If you want to take the 7-day free trial and get access to the Research Center, just come sign up for the Research Center and take the 7-day free trial here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take